Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Edge on OPPO Find X3 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now click install and click open. Now you can click skip introduction, and here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsoft Edge default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, or you can click not now. And now it asks if you want to see notifications from this browser. You can click no thanks. And you can use your Microsoft Edge just like your regular browser. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.